Hi, welcome to the ingredient channel and join me for this week's cooking experience. Today I'm going to share a recipe for the first Chinese dish I have ever made, cucumber and egg stir fry. Since this is the dish got me started cooking, obviously the recipe is delicious, simple, with very little technique required. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. Clean a large American dark green cucumber. This type of cucumber typically has a thick skin, which could reduce the crisp taste, so I typically remove some of the skin using the potato peeler. Notice that I said some, as we need to keep some of the skins so the cucumber does not turn soggy. If you're using other type of cucumber with crispy and thin skin, then skip this step. Cut the cucumber into diamond shape. With years of experience, I realized the shape actually matters. The diamond shape allows the cucumber slices to absorb proper amount of seasoning and still maintain the crisp. To make the shape, we cut the cucumber into several cylinders and then slice into 1 to 2 millimeter thin. And remember to remove the tip and the tail of the cucumber, which could be bitter. Crack 4 large eggs. Whisk thoroughly until the texture gets consistent. In a heated pan, 4 tablespoons cooking oil, add the eggs in, stir fry until the egg gets solid and brown. The perfectly cooked cucumber of this stir fry is very soft in the center part and crispy on the edge. In order to achieve the result, I overcooked the first time and ended up stuffing the burned cucumbers in my mouth so no one can see it to avoid being humiliated. Now add in the cucumber slices. Stir fry for about 1 minute. About 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stir frying until the cucumber gets soft and you can see a bit juice coming out on the bottom of your pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir for a few more times, ready to serve. My father liked the cucumber and egg stir fry I made so much so that he said the egg tastes more like crab meat. What do you think? Well, if you enjoyed this episode along with my little stories, please push the like button and subscribe. Thanks and see you next time.